Hello everyone, in this video I will review Intellectia AI. Intellectia AI is an AI-based investment platform that helps traders and investors make smart decisions in stocks and crypto using tools like AI Stock Picker. It helps traders find high-probability opportunities with real-time market alerts. Its user-friendly design suits both beginners and experienced users. It provides insights across both stock and cryptocurrency markets, offering a holistic view for traders and investors. The platform lets users follow and copy the trades of top investors and politicians for valuable market insights. It offers yearly plans such as a basic plan for $11.96 per month, a pro plan at $23.69 per month, a max plan at $39.69 per month, and an expert plan at $71.69 per month. The AI Screener feature found in platform that helps traders easily find stocks or cryptocurrencies that match their chosen criteria. The earnings prediction features uses AI to forecast a company's future earnings using past data and market trends. The breaking news features give instant updates on major market events or changes that might affect stock prices. These help traders anticipate stock movements before official earnings reports are released. However, the platform provides limited educational resources for beginners. It does not execute trades directly, requiring users to place orders manually through their brokerage accounts. In my opinion, Intellectia AI is easy to use and effective, offering AI-powered insights that help users trade smarter and faster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.